Hello YouTube, this is Don from DaretoBeCreative. So sorry I'm here using my handheld, holding my camera because my piece broke. But anyway, this video is going to be up late because my laptop was broke and now my piece to hold my phone in is broke to record. But this was part of the, I think it was October's Gorjuss Girl and Pure Innocence Collab with Poetspice. And this month's entry was related to mask and baubles, which I didn't have either, so I had to improvise. But this is the stamp set that I used, and I forgot which girl it is, but this is a full-size one. And I just made the IC index card, which is 4x6, and it just says Simply Gorjus, which is stamping here, and that's the same girl. And I just cut out the what is that, a squirrel and the leaves. I just cut that off. Paper pieced it. The background is I just decoupaged a napkin, put some enamel dots and a flower and a piece of washi. Very simple, inked the edges with some antique vintage photo. So that was just all I did because I couldn't think of anything else. So my part to make it a mask with bauble, I made the little necklace out of just some rhinestones. So that was what I did for that. So anyway, so that is my entry for October for the mask and baubles entry for the Gorjuss Girl and Pure Innocence collab. Check out the ladies below. That's in the link, and this would be on my playlist for all of the ones for 2019 that I made. All right, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye bye.